What's up guys, I'm Hendo, and today I'm showing you how to do the makeup for Death from Sandman. First, I'm using primer and spraying it all over my face. I've already applied black eyeliner to my waterline just because I tend to tug on my face when I do that, and I don't want to touch my face when I already have white makeup on. This body paint is actually more of a light beige color than true white. It's cream based and I'm just applying it to my face with a beauty blender. This brand is called Kiomi, and I learned about it a while ago from another cosplayer who's German called Fairy Blossom. But now I know about a lot more cream based makeups in the US, like Ben Nye and NYX. I recommend cream based makeup over alcohol based makeup because it's a lot easier to apply and you don't have to scrub as hard to get it off. And I recommend cream based over water based because it sticks a lot better and it's much easier to blend. And now I'm putting on a second layer. It's important to dab it on and not rub it on so that you don't take off some of the bottom layer. I'm curling my eyelashes and adding mascara now because I can actually see my own eyelashes and it's really annoying. But you can totally do this step later. I'm also smudging black eyeliner into my lash line just to make sure I have a nice dark ring around my eyes. I'm also using an angled brush to make sure it really gets in there. And I'm using the same brush to sort of map out where my winged eyeliner is gonna go. This helps me make sure that it matches before I do the real thing with liquid eyeliner. And now I'm going to darken my eyebrows with black eyeshadow. I don't have very defined eyebrows, so defining them first actually helps me decide where to put the eyeshadow and the eyeliner a little bit better. Now I'm going to use gray eyeshadows to give myself a sort of smoky eye. Since Death is usually portrayed in black and white, I'm not really going to add too much color to my face. And I'm going to keep adding darker shades to the outer corner until it's as cat-eyed and smoky as I like. Now I'm adding dark gray and black to the bottom of my eyelid and building it out pretty far for that nice Gothic feel. I'm also going to brighten the inner corner of my eye by smudging in some white pencil and just blending it with some shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm taking some black liquid eyeliner and giving myself a cat eye. I'm going to build it thicker and thicker slowly so that I can make sure that it matches on both sides. I'm bringing my inner corner to a point too. I'm putting false eyelashes on now to decide if I need to make my makeup more intense. I hate it when I put on eyelashes and it covers most of my makeup. Gothic makeup is pretty intense and heavy, so I need to make sure that you can really see it. And now I'm adding more black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. And now that my face is super dry, I'm adding another layer of that pale makeup. Next is to add some contour. I'm going to start by adding some highlight with a true white cream face paint. Again, make sure you dab it on instead of wiping it on. I'm also going to use that white shade to act as concealer for my under eyes too. This is actually a little more contrast than I want, so I'm going to blend over again with that beige base color. I'm painting my neck and my shoulders more too. Now I'm adding the shadow part of the contour with just that gray eyeshadow from earlier. Blending is your best friend here. I'm also contouring my nose to define it a little more because my nose is kind of small. I have a little hoppa nose. Adding a little to the sides and top of your forehead will also help make your face look more narrow. I feel like goth makeup is usually a bit gaunt and pointy. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just making sure that all of my features are extra blended. It doesn't make much sense to only have depth on your face, so I'm adding some contour to my neck and shoulders too. The best part of body and face paint is how easy it is to get away with plus ultra contour. I missed filming this part, but I added the swirl under my right eye with water-based black Snazaroo face paint. I'm using water-based paint here because the fluid consistency of the paint will make it much easier to make smooth lines. And since it's small, I'm not really going to worry too much about it cracking or rubbing off. I also decided that my eyebrows didn't really match my eyes because they weren't dark enough. Since I don't have a darker black eyeshadow, I'm actually just going to use this water-based paint to fill in my eyebrows too. My eyebrows are sharp as hell now. I'm sorry it's hard to see, but I'm lining my lips now with black eyeliner. I was also super entertained by how much I looked like I had a mustache at this point. Okay, now I'm adding black liquid lipstick. And now I'm distracted by how pink my tongue looks. Now I'm gonna prep my hair for a wig. This is just a black wig from Amazon. Death's hair has been drawn a lot of different ways, but it's always pretty big and messy, so I'm gonna make sure that I fluff it up a lot here. I'm also gonna quickly add some white to my shoulders. Use the same techniques as for your face and neck. You can even add a little bit of contour for some muscle definition. Finally, I'm stepping up my highlight on my neck and collarbone because it doesn't quite match my face. And that's it! You're officially gothic as hell and the OP embodiment of death. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see me make next, and until next time, I'm Hendo. Thanks for cosplaying with me.